You see something? You got an iguana? I need an iguana. I need cats that hunt iguanas. Hey everyone, I'm on the back porch again today, and I thought I would show you real quick my internet connection. So, hanging out with the kitties. They're adorable, but let's head up here and I'll show you what I got. So, I think I've explained before that the roof on this house is probably only accessible by helicopter. There was no way to get up there. Yeah, really, I had a really good friend of mine who's a good climber. He's like, no. I'm like, okay, I'm not doing it either. So I found a spot that looks like, first of all, I use Starlink as my primary, and then I have my cell phone as my backup, and it's just that, and then I'm moving a lot. Like, man, I thought at the last house, I thought it was there. I thought that was going to be my home. I was so excited. And then, of course, at the last minute, that blew up, and the universe said, no, Margie, you're going to live over here for a while. I'm like, okay, universe, wherever you want me, I'm good. We'll do that. Anyway, so Starlink is the primary setup, and another thing when you're renting, you just don't want to make penetrations into walls or roofs or stuff. Bad form, very bad form. So I'm going to show you what I did. First of all, I found a place on the back patio here where it mostly has access to the sky, because this is the steps to go down. And I just found a piece of board. Well, no, I didn't find it. I cut it off the piece of board that I'm using for my dining room table because it was too big. And I've used these ratchet straps to hold it in place. And then of course, here's the base of the Starlink, and just a couple of screws with a power drill, and those are not locked in. So I've got to say, these ratchet straps are amazing because, well, look, apparently, first of all, they're really good cat toys. But I don't know how they do it for, I think I bought a packet of these. I go to Home Depot like right before Christmas, and they have all these grab items that are just super inexpensive. And I got a pack of these, 4 of these, and they're all rated, I don't know how many hundreds of pounds, for like $9.97. I'm like, how do you possibly, get the material, the metal, the ratchet, and then ship it from China to the United States for $10? Like, gosh, you guys, we are really living in some crazy, insane times. I think if you can at all, take advantage of the situation, because I promise you, well, first of all, I'll go into 3 reasons why trade with China is going to break down at some time in the near future. So you want to be getting as much of this stuff as you possibly can. Okay, anyway, that's my internet connection. Yeah, in case you were wondering, and how I do it without, making any holes in the owner's concrete. Okay, I'll see you on another video. This is Marjorie. We'll see you tomorrow.